What's the meaning of beta blocker? Beta blocker. Beta blocker.
Beta blocker. Beta blocker. Beta blockers are medications used to treat high blood pressure, heart failure, and other conditions related to the heart and blood vessels. They work by blocking the effects of the hormone adrenaline on the body's beta receptors, which helps to reduce heart rate and blood pressure. Beta blockers can also be used to treat certain types of anxiety and migraines. These medications are generally well tolerated, but side effects may include dizziness, fatigue, and cold hands and feet. It is important to talk to your doctor about any potential risks and benefits of beta blocker therapy based on your individual health needs and medical history.